Bonjour mes amis, today I will talk about soir, soirée. Soir is used after tous ce, hier, demain, le lendemain, weekdays and when telling time, du soir, PM. C'est parti. Tous les soirs, every evening, samedi soir, Saturday night, ce soir, tonight, ce soir, see you tonight, hier soir, last night, demain soir, tomorrow night, le lendemain soir, the next evening, ces heures du soir at 6 o'clock p.m. There are some expressions also. Bonsoir, good evening, hello in the evening, le soir in the evening. Soirée emphasizes the duration and is used with the adjective and with toute la. Une soirée agréable, a pleasant evening. Toute la soirée, all evening long. Expression, bonne soirée, have a good evening. Au cours de la soirée, in the course of the evening. Passer la soirée à lire, to spend the evening reading. En fin de soirée, late in the evening. Note, soirée also mean party. Continuez à pratiquer. Au revoir. Merci. Bye bye friends.